So for everybody out there that want to learn how to make some chicken Alfredo, Cajun chicken Alfredo, I'm gonna give you a few things of what you can do. First, you want to make sure that you do some boiling water. You're gonna start the boiling water. Once it comes to a boil, then you want to add your pasta to it. You want to cook it for about 10 minutes. Once your water comes to a boil, you want to add the noodles and you want to cook it for about 10 minutes. Stir it constantly. Once your noodles are done, you want to run them over with cold water and set them to the side. Once your Alfredo has thickened up, what you want to do is add your nice seasonings, whichever ones you prefer. If you're doing a Cajun, you want to add your Cajun season. You want to stir it up really good. Once that is done, you will get ready to saute your bell peppers, your onions, or whatever veggies you prefer, and whatever proteins you prefer. Next thing you want to do is get you some butter or salad oil in a skillet, and you want to cook your proteins, whichever proteins you decide to cook. I chose shrimp, bell peppers, and onions. And I also chose chicken. For your final destination, you want to add your proteins, your vegetables. You want to also add your pasta. And you want to add your fresh parsley, or you can use dry parsley. Stir it up really good. And after that, you most definitely have a delicious meal. Chop that fresh parsley. Your amazing chicken Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo should look like this.